In this video, I'm going to create a sign-up box, a sign-up form, which would allow the user to get himself registered inside the application and then would be able to log in into the application and use that application. So let's get started. I'm just going to click on the package of Combat and create a new class that would be actually representing our sign-up. So signing up, and that's it. I'm going to click on finish, and that's we have a signing up.java class. I'm going to save the hierarchy, and then I'm going to get into the layout folder, click on the XML file, and here I'm going to use signing up, and then I'm going to click on finish. And what we have is a linear layout. Now I'm going to get into the signup.xml file, and I have a linear layout now. I'm just going to get back to graphical layout, and in here I'm going to use a few text views and plus edit box. So a few text views and plus edit box. You would be now understanding that why I'm adding all these. The first text view would be like for a username, the second and the third would be actually prompting you. The second would be for an edit box of the username, third is actually for password, and that will be also for password edit box, that will be actually password confirmation. And after password confirmation, I'm going to add another text view plus another text view for the email address. So I'm going to click on this and change its widget type to edit text. I'm going to click on it, and that's it. Now we have one edit text, and I'm just going to click on this. I'm just going to change the widget type of it to edit text, and then I'm going to do the same step for this one. Like we have one text view, edit text, and then once again I'm going to click on edit text, and that's what we have is. Now I'm going to click on edit text once again and change it, and that's it. Now the next thing we're going to have to do is to empty the edit text. So I'm just going to edit the text and empty it. So I'm going to do it for all of them. So I'm going to edit the text and make it empty. And now that I have made all the edit text boxes empty, now I'm going to make its width completely fill the parent. So I'm going to click on the this one, and I will have an option in here in the layout folder. So I'm going to click on it and match it or fill parent, and that's it. Now I'm going to save it and apply the same option to the rest of the elements. And now we have all applied the fill option on every edit box in here. Like as you can see that all the edit box, I'm just going to make it like that. Okay, now I'm going to change the text view names, like edit text, and I'm going to give it a name of like username, and then I'm going to use username. String.xml already contains a string ID username with the value of friend username, so I'm going to change it like this one, user, and then I'm going to use name. Okay, I'm just going to click on OK, and that's it. Now we have a username, and I'm going to apply the same option technique for the rest of the elements. Now we have put on all the elements like password, confirm password. I'm going to maximize it, so that is username, password, confirm password, email. Now the few things I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to enter actually two passwords. So for that purpose, I'm going to provide a linear layout. So I'm going to linear layout that would be actually allowing us to place the contents in a secure way. So I'm just going to place it in here. I'm just going to put on a linear layout in here, and then I'm just going to place this edit text in here, and inside the linear layout I'm going to get into this and put on a buttons. That is the button 1 for signing up and button 2 for canceling. So I'm just going to click on it and edit the text of button 1 to sign up. So I'm going to click on it and sign up, and I'm just going to click on OK. That's it. Now we have sign up, but as you can see that it is not extending. So what I'm going to have to do is I'm just going to extend it a bit, but it will take a lot of space, so I'm going to have to make it like 100. It's taking too much space. I'm going to make it 50 or 20. So first of all, I'm going to click on the sign up button, and then I'm going to click on 10, and that's much more than 10, so I'm going to use 4, and that's it. I'm gonna use it like that. It is actually taking a bit of time, but it will eventually get into its position. So if you face the same problem after passing on the values and the wet margins and all these values is still not getting into its position, then the easiest way to do this is to click on the button, and then here you're gonna fill out the weight with the 1 option and click enter, and that's it. It will automatically place its position, and then click on the button 2 and click on 1. Then it will automatically adjust themselves within the linear layout section. So weight is actually providing a typical kind of situation. For example, if I put it 2, then it will definitely be distorted like that. So as you can see that it is now taking more space in extra weight than sign up button. So I'm going to make it 1 so that both buttons would equally share the space in weight. And now that's the end of our signing up box.